Let's throw it way back to 1928. The Winter Olympics were just getting started, and a 15-year-old Norwegian girl, Sonia Henie, was about to change the game. Sonia wasn't just a skater, she was an innovator. At a time when figure skating was stiff and rigid, she brought elegance, artistry, and a touch of theater to the ice. Her gold medal performance didn't just win hearts, it revolutionized the sport. But Sonia didn't stop there. She went on to win 2 more Olympic golds and became a global superstar, paving the way for generations of athletes who saw skating as more than just a competition. It was an art form. What Sonia did remind us that true greatness isn't just about winning, it's about daring to do things differently. Who's your favorite Olympic trailblazer? Share it below and let's celebrate the people who dared to break the mold. Keep on pushing.